In this video, I will show you step by step how you can remove Reels on Facebook. So step number one will be to head over to our Facebook. Once we open it up here, you can then simply go over to the three lines in the top left. And as you can see, what you will notice at the bottom here, that Reels is right there at the bottom. Now, if we want to remove this, what we can do is go to the three lines. You then want to go down, click on the option for settings and privacy, and then simply click on the settings option. From here now, you then want to scroll down until you see the option for tab bar. Click on the option for tab bar, which will then open up this page. And then what you need to do is go to where it says customize. And then as you can see here, there is an option for tab bar and also available. If Reels is in the tab bar option or the available option, you just need to click on the drop down, and then you will then get this here, and then you can then simply click on hide. Once you click on hide, it will then be moved into the hidden option here, and then it will then be hidden from your tab bar down there at the bottom, as we can see.